Just clocked into work to a tornado.
Tornado warning. Come on, in here.
I'm getting ready. Mike. Here's the words Thunderbolt. Okay. Yeah, you can hear that thunderbolt. Dang. Yeah, it's the real thing. Yeah, that's the Lord's thunderbolt here. Still kicking.
Here, come down here with everyone else.
Actually, the safest spot.
Yeah,
in
there's
school.
the safe. Away from the hallway, away from the door.
Yeah. Dang. Dang.
Yeah, this is safe right here.
That's a little terrible job.
Can we open up some seats?
The maintenance here, and I was getting ready to take out my first bag of trash. Hey, you only got a little 30-foot stretch of a single wall. Let's just say 200 kids, shoulder to shoulder.
Right here next to him. Good job.
30-foot stretch to stick to. Here in the carnival on the river.
What's happening?
This is tornado warning. This is real, by the way.
What?
There's a real tornado. Radar indicator. I'm cutting the video.